Okay, today is July 7th. Just got the car home, did the first wash. This will be the first time I've actually seen this engine. I've never seen it before. All right, I just took the bolts out. Let's see what we got. First time looking at the engine. First time. They've done a lot of work to this car. A lot of work. It's very clean and very pretty. I'm going to keep this cover off. I don't like covers. They keep the heat in. These feel good. They're soft. So this cover will go bye-bye in a trunk somewhere. All right, this is the first time. Wow. All right, well, it's not as pretty as the XJR engine, but it is what it is. All right, there we go. First time I've seen this engine, and I guess I'd do a video of just washed it. Turned out pretty well. Let me show you the hood. By the way, this is what you get. This label is what you get when you get a timing belt for these cars. I did not realize that. Asian, whatever you call that, that is exactly what they put on. I did not know that. So, it does have a dent right there, but it's gonna clean up. I was really worried, but it's really, the paint is really, really good on it. It's really, really good. All the panels are original, but I will show you this. This door has been worked on, been painted, but there's no waves or anything on it. This is the original one, the original door with the VIN number on the side. I will work on that on that door. Otherwise, everything looks really good. Oh, by the way, first day getting this car back home after I purchased it a week and a half ago. Yeah, a week and a half ago. Very excited, very excited. Got home, it ran great. They put, while working on this car, they put 150 miles on it because they're trying to figure out why it was the fuel smell. Well, they figure out why. They put the wrong LED lights in the lights here, and the voltage was messing up the amps in the car, and it wouldn't close the damper or whatever, the fuel damper. So that took care of that. All right, I know I'm rambling. I'm hot, it's late, just got home. Yeah, let me show you the miles while I'm going to document everything. Today is July 7th, I think it is. key. The mileage today, first day of getting the car back.
Go to markspain.com to get a guaranteed
Right there.
offer on your home today. That's markspain.com and start packing. Most attorney.
All right. More to come, y'all. More to come. Thank you. Well, guys, this will be my first drive at nighttime in the Lexus. Man, these lights are bright. Not used to that. Very pretty. Nighttime. I love that Lexus did this. It shines down here. It's very pretty. All right. Spill my protein drink. All right. Which are lights? I guess that's bright. That is bright. And these are bright lights. I tell you, I'm not used to that. I do not know this car yet, folks. Still nervous. It's got to go back to the shop. It does have, there's that same dog. It's got to go back to the shop. It still has a injector. It purges once in a while. I found the problem. The mechanic could not find it, but I did. It does it once in a while. Hasn't done it. Done it once yesterday for a short time, then it cleared up. But I'm gonna drive the car around a little bit more to see what else needs to be done. All right, I have to tell you guys that I've driven a lot of cars in my career with cars. This has got to be, I'm gonna make a statement here, one of the best cars I have ever driven. It reminds me of a Bentley, a newer Bentley. It just drives like a dream. It drives like a dream. Get gas, QT. It's amazing. It really is amazing. Being careful, I don't spill my protein drink in the seat. All right. Let's push it down. Windows are down. Beautiful. 5 o'clock in the morning. 5 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, July 8th, 2026. All right. More to come. So Joe, this morning it was all wet right there. I blew out this valley here, and it was all wet right there. And I'm gonna drive it today. I'm gonna see if there's anything else that needs to be done. So right now it's not leaking, but it definitely is right there. Not sure which one. It's the easiest one to get to. We love that. All right, I'll let you know what happens today. I appreciate you.